Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to warp your text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Warping text in Canva can be done using several creative methods. Even though Canva doesn't have a full-fledged warp tool like advanced design software, but of course we are here to help you out. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the business or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click on the template section. You can start building a warp text in a business template, social media, education, or you can start from scratch by clicking the create a design. Now I'm going to start uploading a specific image here alongside with a text. Now, you can go to the text and add a text here if you wanted. For example, this. Let's try to create a new later. Now, if you don't have a Canva Pro subscription, you are limited with the warp tool technique because from here you need to go to this. Now go to the app section and type in Typecraft. You see, click that. You can customize your text. You can bring your designs to new horizons with text customization. Bend, warp, obviously, twist, and come up with unique text for your creations. Click on open. Just wait for it. Now you can type in the text, for example, this, all right? And from here, you can choose the outline. Say, for example, this, my color is going to be something like a blue. Border width is going to be around that. And now from here, going to, say, for example, this, right? Now try to add the element to design. So that's one way. How about we put in our own text? Maybe horizontal. Outline. Of course, you can update element. You see that? So basically, that's how you can wrap text here in Canva. Now, if you are a Canva user, okay, you can simply use the other feature. In my case, I'm gonna making it like 50 so you guys can see it. Now if you click on the text right here, I want you to click on effects. There's gonna be the curve, all right here. That's one of the easiest way for you to do it. And then you can also go to the apps and combine the Typecraft. All right, so here you can put in your text and add elements to design. All right, of course, from here you can wrap the text for as long as you want it, so you can have the points are the vector lines that you can manually adjust for you to be able to warp a specific text. All right, and then click on add to design. So here, gonna change the color if you want. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on share. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.